Hello and welcome back. Another week has gone by. We got some more option premium to track, so let's get to it. All right, so here we are over in Ameritrade's paper trading account, and looking at the stock symbol Marvell. That's the one we've been running the wheel strategy on. And the beginning of this week was January 30th. So if I hover over that one, you'll see um, it was a down day that Monday, and then it looks like it took off again and ended the week higher, but still this past Friday it looks like it was in the down. Um, so anyway, that means should be pretty good news for our put. And if you come over to the monitor tab, you can see that we had placed this order on January 29th for Marvell. We placed a $44 put, and we had put a $1.14 limit order in. However, you can see that when it was filled and executed on the 30th at 8:31, we did check on it this time because last time, remember, we actually didn't get filled, and I didn't pay attention, so I wasn't able to fix it. But in any case, this one actually did fill, and if you notice, it filled at a much better price than 114. We got $1.50, meaning we were able to collect $150 in premium off this, so that's pretty nice. So let's go over to the web app and track that transaction. All right, so here we are on the website, myatmm.com. Here, when you first log in, it goes to the dashboard. We need to go over to the cost basis page, and we need to select Marvell because that's the stock we're dealing with. And we need to go ahead and put that transaction in. And the date it executed was on the 30th. It was a sell to open, a put. It was one contract, and it expired this past Friday, which was the 3rd. The strike price was $44, and we got $150 for it. So the strike price is $44 and $1.50, so it's $150. As soon as we click save, it's going to move from the draft positions to the puts group right here. So I'm going to click save. You'll notice it went away from the draft, and the puts counter incremented to 1, and you can click that to expand it to see it. And it put the proposed transaction right here. Again, we could manually enter this, but I don't like to type if I can avoid it. So moving that transaction down again, we're not tracking fees in this demo account. The fee would have been 65 cents plus some regulatory fees. So we're going to go and track that. So that transaction is now recorded, and you can see we're doing pretty nice on this. We've collected over $644 in premium, and we're out clean. We haven't had to get in and out of the stock at a loss. So, and honestly, if you're setting your strike prices according to the cost basis shown in this screen, you should never have a realized loss. So unless if you just had to get out of it for some other reason. But in any case, so this is doing pretty nice. So something I wanted to double check here, or just compare, is we have this overall gain loss 644. I want to jump over to Ameritrade. I think it showed something. Okay, so it says 659. There might have been some other transaction that I had jumped into and out before, but the profit and loss year to date is 659, so that's pretty on target for what we're showing in here. But like I said, I think there was some other transaction I did in here that made a little bit more. But in any case, we are positive in this stock, so that is good to know. All right, so anyway, that was this transaction. We've been tracking this one for the month of January, and this transaction ended the January month into February. Let's jump over to the dashboard. I want to see the only stock we've been dealing with for this year in 2023, January and February, is now this stock, Marvell. So yeah, January 2023 we ended with $494 collected, and February 2023 we already have $150 collected on this stock. So we are doing nice. I want to thank you for watching. That was a quick video on tracking the transaction that we collected from the cash secured put on Marvell, and we will run it again when it expires, and we go on to the next week. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out today and get your free stock your free stock. Go out and get your free account today at myatmm.com. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.